We'll guide you through how to send a folder through WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp, and so you want to go and send a folder. So I'm in a chat here I want to do this with. What you can do is go and press the plus in the bottom left, which is attach, and we go and press document. Then this is the folder here I want to do it with. It's got some photos in, so I've got it selected, but when I press open, it just goes and opens it up. I want to go and send the folder. So to go about this, what we need to do is come out of this for now, and you need to go and open up your file explorer on your computer. Now you need to go and find the folder. So I found it on my desktop here. If yours is elsewhere, go and find it. Then what you need to do is go and right click on it, find the option for compress to and hover over it, and press zip file, like so. Go and wait, and it'll then go and make it a zip file. Then it's now a file, and within that, if we double click on it, you can see we've got the folder. So it's just going and putting it in a zip folder, and that then means we can go, it goes and puts it into a zip, meaning we can go and send the folder. So then what you can then do is come and return to WhatsApp and press attach in the bottom left again, and you can go and press document. And then what you can do is go and find that zip, which is the folder, and you can go and have it selected and go and press open. You can go and add a message, and then you can go and press send in the bottom right. So you've now uploaded it and we're now sending it. You can go and wait for it to go and complete, and they can then go and download it, and they can open it up, and they've got the folder there. As you can see, it's now sent. I'll just go and press download to go and show you the example, and there it is. They can click on it, and there they've got the folder with whatever's in it. Leave a like if you found this useful. I look forward to helping you again in the future with another how-to. We publish these every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you again with another how-to. Have a great day and look forward to helping you again soon.